Welcome to Sanctum with Eve. I'm Eve, and I'm excited to invite you to experience with me a sound meditation. I will be using a variety of sounds, including my favorite, Gong. All that you need to do is be. Allow yourself the space to come into a position that is comfortable for you, whether it is seated, lying down, or somewhere in between. Just feel the weight of the body being held by whatever it is resting against. As you listen, you may want to have earbuds or headphones to really focus on the sound of the gong. I invite you to do breath work that makes you feel comfortable. If you're unfamiliar with breath work, one of the easiest ways that we can activate the parasympathetic nervous system is to breathe all the way into the stomach, filling both of the lungs with air, and then exhaling. And as you exhale, intend that all stress and all tension leave the body. You can also intend that it leaves the body, it leaves the emotions, and then it leaves the mind. Maybe doing 6 to 9 breaths or breath cycles, or however many is comfortable for you. It's your time to relax, so allow yourself whatever feels good and right in your body, making sure to stop if there's any pain or discomfort, and just allow yourself to be. That is all we are doing right now, is practicing being together. So I'm looking forward to spending the next couple of minutes with you and exploring what it is our bodies have to tell us, exploring what it is to feel deeply relaxed, and exploring what it is that our minds, our subconscious minds, may have to share through our work with gongs and other sounds at this time. Begin to wiggle your fingers and your toes. Gently coming back. You might like to bring the head from one side to the other. I invite you to take the hands, putting them in prayer position and rubbing them until they are quite heated. Then place that heat over the eyes for a gentle eye massage. Or continue rocking the head side to side, whatever feels good and right for your body at this time. And then begin to make any movements. Movements of the arms, movements of the legs, movements of the torso, anything that assists your body into coming into balance. Thank you for joining me here at Sanctum with Eve. I look forward to seeing you in the next video, and remember to hydrate. Have a wonderful day or afternoon, and I have no idea what this is, but it is very interesting. I looked like, what is it? It's not there.